Welcome to my channel Stepahead with a new video. I wish you and welcome you into sugarcane. How many of you have been asking me to share my penalty for the video I'm sharing my deeply attention viewers, but we're going in. I have a small party shareable appeal that I will convene using chemical color. I love the colors, the people on it, creepy feelings and penetrating, if not if you want to roll in the body, but gradually real hair effect. Because also the eulabis, my head among believers and users. So I began moving over other painful treatment and suddenly wallet more natural and safe. Audiences now natural organisms will show instant results and innocent people. However, in the government there must be a human damage with the over-up. Different regional entity rated and are shown in the video. I would have only lingam value equal to that doesn't officially. So after all this, man, this is basically talking about my hair type 1. Have long and thick hair, however the length and the hair ends tend to get rough and dry. I just need to hydrate my lens very frequently on scaling to do so. A few split ends appear here and there. I also get the ends trimmed every 2 to 3 months to keep them stress-free. It might seem to be a routine task. However, brushing the hair every day is very important. I comb my hair every day for 15 to 20 minutes with a wide-toothed comb. Not just keeps the hair tangle-free, but also helps blood circulation in the scalp. Running the brush through scalp also stimulates oil glands to produce natural oils and keep the hair hydrated. I oil my hair once or sometimes twice a week depending on its condition. I use argan oil or sometimes almond oil to massage myself and nourish the hair. Argan oil is a nut-based natural oil. It is very rich in vitamin E and makes the hair shiny and soft. The best part about argan oil that it almost feels weightless and doesn't make the hair sticky or oily like other oils. It can be worn for styling and even as a hair serum after shampoo for detangling purposes. I have it in my hair right here, but the hair still doesn't feel sticky. Just take some in your palm, it feels great. Rub it thoroughly between your bumps to warm it up. Apply on the hair and scalp properly. This oil can also be used on chemically treated straightened and colored hair. As I said earlier, I would link down all the products shown in the video in the description box below, just in case if you wish to check them out. The other oils which I use for deep conditioning is almond oil. Sweet almond oil reverses hair damages by repairing hair texture. It also deeply nourishes the scalp and treats a common problem like Gandalf, rough and dry hair, split ends, etc. I shampoo twice a week, especially when the weather is hot and humid. I prefer shampoos lack of chemicals like sodium lauryl sulfate and paraben has restrict the head of the natural oils and induce dryness. Currently I'm using Garnier Ultra Blend Soil and Alvin shampoo. It doesn't have paraben and works fine for my hair type. It is important to use a conditioner if your hair is just unprecedented. I am using the Ultra Blends conditioner from the same range as the shampoo. Apply it on freshly washed hair and leave it for 5 minutes before rinsing off the plain water. After shampoo I towel dry and air dry the hair. Wet hair is most prone to breakage, thus brushing wet hair should be avoided. I try brushing the hair using a white core only when it's almost 80% dry. In a hurry I use a dryer on cold setting. Also before detangling I take a few drops of almond oil and apply on the lens as hair serum. It makes the brushing easier. Hair needs food to remain healthy, hence I try to decondition at least once a week. The hair mask which I choose mostly depends on what my hair requires at the moment and what weather is it. Also I try to keep it natural by using ingredients from the kitchen. For summers the coconut milk and aloe vera hair mask is my favorite. It is light yet nourishing, packed specially in the heat and humidity. I share its recipe in my recent video. Check out the description box for the link of the video in cooler weather when my hair Craves external assurance to use a yogurt and banana bag. Take a ripe banana and mash it thoroughly so there are no lumps. You can also use a blender for it. Add half a cup of full-fat unflavored yogurt. Banana and yogurt will feed your hair with some extra nourishment. With everything together till it is blended well, add 1 tablespoon of your favorite oil. Beat olive, almond or coconut. This path will treat frizzy hair, e.g. scalp dandruff, etc. You will also add an egg for making the hair shiny. This, however, is optional. You may skip it if you don't like eggs for either of the packs. Apply thoroughly on hair and scalp. They are both natural and would not harm in any way. I prefer using my fingers for more effective application. You can always use a brush. I usually leave it for 1 to 2 hours depending on how much time I have, and then wash it off with shampoo. Often I hope you avoid all the hair iron. And Google has clean hair rattle infant colors, and though to make the hair look more groomed, I really have been using this Philips hairstyler, which I bought a few weeks back on the recommendations of my sister. This has a hairbrush kind of structure and uses very mild heat to ease out hair waves and make the hair look more put together. If you want me to review this product, then please leave a comment below. DP agency for rebuilding and what is requirement. Like all the oil in math application, maybe you should do some calculations. We are going to be cooking. We have unfaithful to impossible and you away from interplay. Thanks for watching, and most important is to subscribe my channel for more informational videos.